3 generations running this restaurant, and they've got a menu so big, I have no idea what we're even gonna order.
All right.
But this is Rancho Plaza Grill.
I got chicken fajitas.
It's an amazing place to come and eat.
Authentic northern New Mexico food.
The chili is the best here.
You have the ristos hanging outside, the adobe walls and everything this area is known for.
And when Adam Medina and his wife Raylyn opened this traditional spot, they went into it with the help of Adam's late father.
My dad was in the restaurant business forever. His dream was to open up a restaurant. I got out of culinary school. This place came up. Me and my dad, my mom, and Raylyn.
Yeah, the 4 of us started it.
So who are we cooking with today?
Me.
You won't come back if you cook with me.
All right, what are we gonna make, Chef?
Carne Adovada.
Carne Adovada is marinated pork, and they smother it in more chili, and it's just awesome.
What are we kicking off with?
Pork stock for our chili sauces. This is New Mexico.
New Mexico chilies. They're showing off because we're in New Mexico.
I salt the bones first.
Necks and backs.
Put them in the oven, 475, a couple hours. Bones go in here. We add vegetables,
Onions,
celery,
garlic.
tomato paste, and some red chili pods. Put it back in the oven, about 45 minutes to roast them off.
Okay.
Deglaze.
Pull all the flavor out of that.
This goes in there.
Step back.
Oh, dear.
Okay, the water, simmer again.
5 hours or so.
We'll strain this.
I reserve like a quarter of it. I reduce that for my marinade for my carne adobada.
I've never heard of someone marinating pork in a pork stock.
Yeah. We're making a base, water, crushed red chili, caribe, and chili powder. So we blend this, reserve for the red chili sauce we're gonna make.
But now you're gonna add other ingredients to it that will make it the marinade.
Yeah. Garlic, white vinegar, salt, and then our reduced pork stock. Blend this.
And what is the pork that we're using for the adovada?
It's a pork sirloin.
How long is this pork gonna marinate?
At least 8 hours.
What else are we gonna work on?
Got red chili sauce, the ground pork. We fry this pretty crisp.
And make a roux with the flour.
Then we add our fresh minced garlic, chili mixture. So I get some stock in here.
So that pork stock is like one of the backbones of the restaurant.
Yeah.
A little bit of salt.
Let it simmer about 30 minutes.
How do you make the rice?
We start off by browning a parboiled rice, toasted with oil.
Got it.
And then we add,
Pork stock.
this dish doesn't take pork stock,
The
unfortunately.
one thing that doesn't get pork stock?
Celery and onions, pureed tomatoes, water, some salt, pepper, some granulated garlic, and bay leaf. Cook it about 35 minutes.
All right, Chef, let's see it. So rice, beans, what else?
Marinated pork. This is our chile caribe sauce that we made earlier.
A healthy amount of sauce, huh?
Lettuce, tomato, and there we go.
You can't tell you're hungry. You're just shoveling. It's like trying to eat with a Tasmanian devil. The sauce has got a real depth of flavor.
It does. Good amount of heat.
Really tender, lots of flavor.
I love the amount of sauce you put on there because now you can incorporate it into the beans and the rice.
I see why everybody loves it.
Carne adobada plate.
The meat is just what really brings out that chili flavor. Just amazing. Can't beat it anywhere. Just like Mom's.